G'day, this is Vineet, and in this course we will learn how to build the bookstore application using Blazor and Entity Framework on top of ABP Framework 4 based on .NET 5. Let's open the Windows Explorer and navigate to the folder where we'll create the Blazor solution using the ABP CLI. We'll open the command prompt and ensure that the ABP CLI is up to date by running .NET tool update -g volo.abp.cli. We'll now run the command abp new acme.bookstore -u for UI, which is Blazor, and -csf for creating a solution folder. This will create our ABP web application and its relevant folders. Let's open the solution in Visual Studio and see what it compromises of. You'll see that the solution template provides a layered application structure based on the domain-driven practices, DDD. Based on the options we specified, the solution template uses Blazor for its UI framework and Entity Framework as its database provider. Projects are organized in the SRC and test folders. The SRC folder consists of the application, which is layered based on the DDD principles as mentioned before, and the test folder consists of the integration tests. For now, we'll run the solution as is. Let's check the connection string. We can see that the solution is using the database name bookstore. We'll change this to bookstore-4-0-0-Blazor and change the database server with localhost. We will also change the connection string in the host project with the same database name and server, so our endpoints can talk to the application layer to get and post data from our presentation layer. Since this solution is using Entity Core as its database provider, we need to have MS SQL Server or SQL Server Express installed on our development computer. You'll notice that the solution has a DB Migrator project. Let's set this project as the startup project and run the solution. This has opened a command prompt which has applied the migrations and also seeded the initial data into the database. This project is very useful in both development and production environments. Finally, it's time to run the application. Because this is a Blazor solution, we need to run the host project first and then the Blazor project. The Blazor project uses the API to retrieve the data using the HTTP endpoints. We can see the logon page of the ABP Framework startup template. We will log on using admin and 1Q2W 3 E* to ensure the application is working. There we go. We have a running ABP Framework startup template working and running in our browser using Blazor. In this lesson, we have created the solution and ensured that we could run the ABP Framework Blazor startup template. Join me in the next lesson to create the server side.